As we have described that simple harmonic motion can be represented by the expression that is x equal to a sine omega t plus phi. Here x is the displacement, a is the amplitude, omega is the angular frequency, t is any time instant, phi is the initial phase. To get the velocity, we have to differentiate this expression with time, and we will get differential of a sine omega t plus phi. Here a is constant, so it is taken out of the integral and remaining is differential of sine omega t plus phi. It is equal to a into, now differential of sine omega t plus phi. We know differential of sine is cos, so it is cos omega t plus phi. And now differentiating the argument with respect to time, this is omega t plus phi. It is equal to a cos omega t plus phi. Here differential of sum is sum of differential, so we can write it is differential of omega t plus differential of phi, and it is equal to a cos omega t plus phi. Now differential of this omega t, here omega is constant, so because uniform circular motion is also example in which velocity or the speed remains constant, so this omega is fixed, it can be taken out of the differential, so remaining is differential of time with respect to time plus 0, because phi is 0, initial phase remains same constant, and this dt by dt, this is 1, so we can write it is a omega cos omega t plus phi. This is the value of velocity. After this we can find the value of acceleration. This is dv by dt, or it can be written as d2x by dt2, and differentiating the velocity, which is a omega cos omega t plus phi, and using the technique of differential, this a omega is constant, so it is taken out. Now differentiating this cos, so it will be minus sine omega t plus phi, and now differentiating this argument, this is omega t plus phi, so it is minus a omega sine omega t plus phi, and differentiating this omega t plus phi, that means differential of sum is sum of differential. First we differentiate omega t, omega is constant, remaining is t, and on differentiating this t with t we will get 1, plus phi is constant, so differentiating a constant we will have 0. Therefore, finally we will have minus a omega square sine omega t plus phi. And it is given that a sine omega t plus phi is the displacement. So sine omega t plus phi and a, it is displacement. So we can write it is minus omega square x. Therefore, we finally get acceleration is equal to minus omega square into x. And this is the condition for a particle which is in oscillatory motion to be as a simple harmonic motion. Here this velocity can be written as in terms of the displacement, because it is equal to, if we take omega outside, the remaining is a cos omega t plus phi, or we can write it as omega into square root of a square minus a square sine square omega t plus phi using the trigonometry, and substituting the value of a sine omega t plus phi, which is x, so velocity will be omega square root of a square minus x square. This is the velocity in terms of the displacement. Similarly, acceleration in terms of the displacement is a equal to minus omega square. Question number 2 is, find the a, that is amplitude, omega, that is angular frequency or speed, and phi 0, this is the initial phase, in simple harmonic motion represented by y equal to 20 cos 4 pi t plus pi by 3. Here we will use the general expression for the simple harmonic motion, which is y equal to a cos omega t plus phi 0. Here phi 0 is the initial phase, and on comparing we simply get a equal to 20 unit. This is the amplitude. Similarly, omega equal to, because omega t is equal to 4 pi t, and this t get cancelled. This means angular velocity or speed equal to 4 pi. This is angular frequency. Third thing which we have to find the initial phase. This is phi 0, and on comparing we get it is pi by 3. So phi 0 is the initial phase. Next question is, here also we have to find the amplitude, angular frequency, and the initial phase in simple harmonic motion. An expression for the simple harmonic motion is given y equal to 10 sine 5 pi t plus root 3 cos 5 pi t. Here given expression is y equal to 10 sine 5 pi t plus root 3 cos 5 pi t. This can be written as 10 sine 5 pi t plus 10 root 3 cos 5 pi t. To convert this expression in the standard format, we consider this 10 as the, suppose it is p cos theta, and this 10 root 3 is, suppose, p sin theta. So p cos theta equal to 10, p sin theta equal to 10 root 3. To simplify, that means to get the value of p and theta, we first squares and add. On squaring, first expression becomes p square cos square theta, and another is p square sin square theta. These are the left hand sides, and on right hand side we will have 10 square plus 10 root 3 square. That is, p square is taken common, cos square theta plus sin square theta, and it is equal to 100 plus 300, that is equal to 400. And this cos square theta plus sin square theta is an identity which has the value 1. So p square equal to 400, or we can say p equal to 20. Now we have to find the value of tan theta. So dividing the second expression, this is the first expression, this is the second. Dividing second by 1, we will have sin theta by cos theta, that is equal to 10 root 3 by 10. This 10 and 10 get cancelled, so tan theta is equal to root 3, or it is tan 60 degree. So theta is equal to 60 degree, or we can say it is pi by 3. Using these values, we can write this y equal to p cos theta sin 5 pi t plus p sin theta cos 5 pi t, that is equal to, here p is common, so it is taken out, p into sin 5 pi t cos theta plus cos 5 pi t sin theta. And using the formula of trigonometry, that is sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, the formula is sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So we can write it is p into sin of 5 pi t plus theta. And substituting the value of p, that is 20, we can write 20 sin 5 pi t, and theta is pi by 3. So finally we get the expression of simple harmonic motion, and from this expression, comparing with the standard equation, that is a sin omega t plus phi naught, we can calculate a equal to, that is amplitude is 20, omega equal to 5 pi, and phi naught is equal to pi by 3. This is the answer.